A Turkish scholar has spoken positively about China's pursuit of common development. Selçuk Kokakoglu, director of the Ankara-based Turkish Center for Asia-Pacific Studies, highlighted China's achievements in lifting hundreds of millions of people from absolute poverty and China's assistance to other countries.
China is focusing on development as a priority to increase the human dignity. And in that regard, eradicating poverty is a key point. China wants to share this experience with other developing countries, including least developed countries too. And then in that regard, this will be very helpful to increase the human standards and human rights in general. China has become leading country to share technological developments and social aids and also financial aids and loans to developing countries. In that regard, China considers that development a global issue, and not only several countries, but also all countries must be developed together.